9 tips and tricks for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's dive right in. Alright, so the first tip is actually for improving your overall Wi-Fi performance on the device. Don't forget to subscribe. Tip number 4 is having the magnification shortcut. Now, when you go to the settings of the magnifier, you don't get the option to add a shortcut. So what you can do is you can go into Settings, then you go to Accessibility. Then you go to Advanced Settings. I usually set this to Crop, which will crop out the unnecessary parts of the app. Number 7 is enabling Dolby Atmos for free. Now, you don't need to pay for Dolby Atmos anymore, because you can enable it for free by going into Settings. And here you'll see an option that says Dolby Atmos. Once you enable this, now you have Dolby Atmos on your device. Moving on to tip number 8, and that is boosting the brightness of your videos. So sometimes you might be watching a YouTube video, and it just doesn't look bright enough for you. Well, what you can do is you can go into Settings. Then you go to Advanced Features. Then you go to Labs, and here you'll see an option that says Boost Video Brightness. Once you enable this, now whenever you watch a video, it will automatically make it brighter. And lastly, tip number 9 is taking screenshots of a pop-up window. Now you not take a screenshot of a pop-up window by using the standard methods such as pressing the power and volume down button. So what you can do is go into Settings, then you go to Advanced Features. Then you go to Labs, and here you see an option that says Take Screenshot in Pop-up Windows. Once you enable this, now you can easily take a screenshot of any pop-up window that you want. If you learned something new, please subscribe, leave a like below. If you're interested in doing more, I'll leave a link to a full review of this phone. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.